It was just 3 years ago when my girlfriend Raina and I decided to challenge ourselves and create our first large-scale painting on a tarp out in the field.
Oh shit!
And this was the start of our journey to become full-time mural artists. It was messy, it was exhausting, and nothing came out as planned.
I didn't even. I swear I didn't even do that.
Oh wait, no.
But it taught us everything we needed to know about painting murals. We didn't realize just how difficult it was going to be to set this thing up. Not to mention, it was one of the windiest days ever, which just added to the chaos.
What if our tarp flies away in the middle of our process?
No, that's not gonna happen.
Lesson number 1. Murals almost never go as planned, especially when working outdoors, so you need to be prepared for anything.
What are we about to do?
We're about to embark.
Embark.
After this commercial break.
This video is proudly brought to you by Bright Space Murals. Brighten your space up with a custom mural. Call now to get your custom mural today.
Side effects may include endless free advertising, random compliments, heightened creativity, inexplicable joy, increased time explaining the mural's story, friendly neighborhood envy, unexpected fame, people assuming you're cooler than you are, skyrocketing popularity, uncontrollable feelings of pride, spontaneous photo shoots, and or increased foot trafficking.
Now, back to the show.
Are you ready?
I'm ready!
Painting on a large tarp on the ground meant crawling and crouching, even lying down at some times just to get the right spot. The second lesson we learned, murals are messy and physically demanding. You're going to want to wear old clothes, bring a bunch of supplies for cleanup, and be prepared to get paint everywhere.
He's a mess. Look at him. Wearing ripped. He got a ripped shirt. He got ripped pants on. He got socks and
The
sandals.
entire time we were constantly fixing and readjusting the tarp. The wind kept messing things up and blowing the tarp all over the place. It makes you wonder, will we ever finish this project? And that takes us to the third lesson we learned. Murals take perseverance. Things will go wrong, but you need to stay flexible and find the right solutions on the spot. Now looking back, this tarp painting was where it all began. It wasn't perfect, but it showed us that we could create larger scale paintings. So if you're thinking about starting your own mural journey, don't be afraid to take the leap. You want to start small and embrace the challenges and just keep going. If you found this video enjoyable, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what's the biggest struggle you have as a creative. Thanks for watching.